There's lots of IP providers in the market, but there are only a few that offer executive income protection. If you don't advise on many business clients, it's quite easy to overlook this really crucial policy that can be advised for any employees of limited companies, but specifically for the directors and the shareholders of those companies. It's a policy that does exactly the same as a traditional income protection policy, but can do a few additional things that can be incredibly useful for business owners. Firstly, in most cases, it is considered an allowable expense, meaning that you'll save on corporation tax, or the client will. Secondly, it can also cover a higher percentage of the income compared to a personal plan, which takes into account things like national insurance, income tax, and things like that. Crucially though, it will also cover employers' pension contribution, which is really important for clients who potentially are backdating a huge amount of pension contributions that they may not have done for a few years before, especially when they're setting up, meaning that they're contributing several thousand each month. And if they don't do that and they've got a personal income protection plan, whilst they will be protected in the moment and they'll receive income protection, which is obviously the most important thing, they won't have their pension contributed to long term. And it's a very different story if you're a returning MD or FD or whatever shareholder, and you come back to the business after a few years of being absent without those continual contributions to your pension, because you won't have the expected retirement date still achievable potentially. You might have to wait several more years to achieve that.